Good morning, mighty owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today's Tuesday, November 3rd, 2020. It's a bee day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's something that happened yesterday. Yesterday we had another royal reader, Mateo Cavadia. Congratulations for reading 1 million words with 85% accuracy or better. Nice job, Mateo. Also, scholars, I saw scholars that were working hard on their math problems to make sure that they did all the steps. They drew pictures, they made sure and wrote their new number sentence, and they did the number bond just to make sure and check their work. Great job, scholars. I also saw scholars that were doing a great job in making sure that when they're writing in writing class, that they use complete sentences. They started with capital letters. They ended with periods, question marks, or exclamation marks. Amazing job. Scholars, today is a great day to learn, so have a great day. Hoot, hoot!